this video will teach you how to open a Pocket Option account on your mobile phone. First of all, you need to go to the App Store or Google Play Store to download the Pocket Option. So just go in the search, write Pocket Option, and download the app into your phone. I already have it, so I will click open. And after you will open it, you need to click registration. And you need to fill all of the necessary information. You need to write your email address, your password, and you can enter the promo code and get the welcome bonus. It's optional, but I suggest you to get this welcome bonus. If you don't have the promo code, I will leave the promo code down below in the video, so you can just copy it and paste it right here. So let's enter the email. After that, you need to click continue right here, and you need to enter your country, then enter the currency and click confirm. It gives you some tutorials, some guides. You can skip it. And also it offers you to make the first deposit, so you can click this deposit button right here. And it redirects you to the page where you can deposit money. So there are different deposit methods. For example, you can deposit the cryptocurrency, or you can deposit using your bank account, your card. So for example, let's choose USDT, and right here you need to enter the amount of USDT you're going to deposit. So if you enter the promo code, you can get the $50 bonus, welcome bonus. So click the continue and pay, send the USDT to their wallet address, and start using the Pocket Option account on your mobile phone. So it's very simple. First of all, make the deposit and start trading. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.